In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your wiper blades on this Chevy Silverado. Both left and right blades are 22 inches in size, so let's get started. On this new wiper blade, it comes with this style retainer here, or mounting point, and we actually need to change it over to this one, which should come in the box. So to do this, you pinch this and flip it up all the way. Keep pushing it, and that should take it off of this retainer over here at the front. So that'll come off, and then you take your new one and you line it up. You want to clip it on to that right there, just like so. And now this should pivot smoothly. That's how you know it's locked in. Now with this on, there's going to be a tab that you can pry forward here and lift piece C off of this. That's what it's labeled on this particular one. And this is what we're left with. B, mounting adapter B, is what we're actually going to install. Lift up the wiper arm. Once it's up all the way, on these particular wiper blades, there's a little cap. Yours might not have this, just depends on the style. If you have one of these, you may need a little pocket screwdriver to help you out with that. Once that's flipped up, you should be able to grab onto this if yours has it. This is an extra retainer here. But also on the back side right here, there are going to be two tabs that you can squeeze and push up at the same time. So that should allow this wiper blade to slide off of the wiper arm. Almost there. Sometimes these are a little bit stuck. Once you pop it off, continue sliding it, and there is your wiper blade. Do not let go of this wiper arm. If this metal end hits the windshield, it will crack it, and then you'll need a windshield. Now take your wiper blade, slide the back of it first onto the wiper arm, just like so. Make sure those two clips get hooked on here. And then you want to press it up and over, just like that. And the front tab should click on there. If you move it, try to pull it off, it should not come off. The wiper blade either comes with an entire cover for the blade itself or just two little caps on the end. You have to remove these, otherwise these will scratch your windshield and the blade itself will not touch the windshield. These are just for shipping purposes. Now you can take your wiper arm, slowly put it back down on the windshield, and do the same to the other wiper blade.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.